A landmark ruling handed down by the Supreme Court. It is about a drug sting gone bad here in Colorado Springs, and it has big repercussions going forward for any law enforcement agency doing secret surveillance. Good evening, and thanks for choosing KRDO News Channel 13 at 10 o'clock. I'm Heather Skold. Bart has the night off. We begin with that bombshell decision from the Colorado Supreme Court. It ruled today that Colorado Springs police officers violated the privacy rights of two men back in 2015 during a clandestine drug sting. KRDO News Channel 13's Sydney Stell joins us live from the Police Operations Center with what's next for this case. Sydney.
Heather, officers with the Colorado Springs Police Department used a camera to spy on two suspected drug dealers back in 2015, but they didn't get a warrant first. Now the resulting convictions are being reversed, the two men walking free tonight. A big Colorado Supreme Court decision coming down Monday, reversing drug convictions for two Colorado Springs men because officers violated their privacy rights during their investigation.
I think it sends a message to law enforcement agencies, and that is that there are limits to what can be done as far as surveilling people.
Robert Borquez represents Rafael Tafoya. Police got a tip that Tafoya might be selling drugs back in 2015, so they placed a camera on a utility pole across the street from Tafoya's house. They could watch the footage live, but it was also stored to be reviewed later. For 3 months, the camera kept a constant watch of Tafoya's house, including his backyard with a 6-foot privacy fence. The officers used that footage to apply for a search warrant, where they found illegal drugs and were able to arrest another person involved, a man named Gabriel Sanchez. The two were convicted on drug charges and sentenced to 20 years each back in 2017. But the case was elevated to the Court of Appeals and ultimately the state Supreme Court. Its ruling, keeping a constant watch over Tafoya's house, violated his Fourth Amendment rights, including his reasonable right to privacy, even though a person could technically see through the slats of Tafoya's fence.
If a uniformed officer or even a plainclothes officer were to stand there and look through the slats in the fence for a prolonged period of time, somebody's going to notice that. And the surreptitious nature of this camera was factored into the court's decision. And if you look at the telephone pole or the utility pole, it is not at all clear that there's a camera up there.
This decision reverses the convictions for both men, meaning they should both be granted new trials. But if the prosecution is not able to use the footage or any of the evidence gained from it, they'll have virtually no evidence to work with at trial.
They basically can't retry the case.
The only other option moving forward would be to elevate this case to the United States Supreme Court. Now, we reached out to Colorado Springs Police for comment on this tonight, and they said because this case is still moving through the court system, they can't comment on it yet. Live here in Colorado Springs, I'm Sydney Stell, KRDO News Channel 13.